Hello friends. Can you tell which river is this? Here is an interesting video where you have to guess the name of the river. So let's see if you can answer all 10. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Brahmaputra, Jhelum, Indus, or Mahanadi. And the correct answer is Indus. Indus River rises in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake and it enters India in Ladakh. Then it flows in northwest direction and finally takes a steep turn to enter into Pakistan. It is a major river of Pakistan and is joined by tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. And finally, it drains into the Arabian Sea. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Chambal, or Ganga. And correct answer is Ganga. River Ganga originates in Uttarakhand from Gangotri Glacier of Himalayas. Then it flows through the states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Here it splits into two parts. One part, known as Bhagirathi Hooghly, flows through West Bengal and drains into the Bay of Bengal. And the other part enters Bangladesh, where it is known as River Padma, and it finally drains into the Bay of Bengal. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Chambal, Son, Yamuna or Koshi. And the correct answer is Yamuna. River Yamuna originates from Yamunotri Glacier in Uttarakhand, and it flows almost parallel to River Ganga. And finally, it joins River Ganga in Prayagraj. Yamuna is a tributary of River Ganga, and is part of Ganga river system. Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of River Yamuna. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Krishna, Brahmaputra, Chambal, or Mahanadi. And the correct answer is Brahmaputra. River Brahmaputra originates in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake. Then it flows parallel to Himalayas in east direction and finally it takes a U-turn to enter into India in Arunachal Pradesh. It flows through Assam and finally enters West Bengal where it merges with River Ganga before draining into the Bay of Bengal. Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra are the three major river systems of India which originate from the Himalayas. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Krishna, Chambal, Narmada, or Mahanadi. And the correct answer is Narmada. River Narmada rises from Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh and flows in western direction. Finally, it drains into the Arabian Sea. Statue of Unity, the tallest statue in the world, is situated on the banks of River Narmada. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Krishna, Chambal, Tapi, or Mahanadi. And the correct answer is Tapi. River Tapi rises from Satpura range in Madhya Pradesh and flows parallel to Narmada in westward direction. Finally, it drains into the Arabian Sea. Narmada and Tapi are the only two major rivers of India which flow in west direction. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Krishna, Chambal, Son or Mahanadi. And the correct answer is Mahanadi. River Mahanadi rises in Chhattisgarh and then it flows into Orissa. Finally, it drains into the Bay of Bengal. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, or Chambal. And the correct answer is Godavari. River Godavari rises from the Western Ghats in Nashik. It is joined by several tributaries, and its drainage system is the largest among the peninsular rivers. This river is also known as Dakshin Ganga. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Krishna, Kaveri, Son, or Chambal. And the correct answer is Krishna. River Krishna rises from Mahabaleshwar, and during its course, it is joined by tributaries like Bhima and Tungabhadra. It flows through states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana, and Andhra Pradesh. And finally, it drains into the Bay of Bengal. Can you name the river which is highlighted? Your options are Bhagirathi, Kaveri, Son, or Chambal. And the correct answer is Kaveri. River Kaveri rises in Brahmagiri range of Western Ghats in Karnataka. It flows through Karnataka and enters Tamil Nadu, and finally it drains into the Bay of Bengal. So this was a quiz on the major rivers of India. I hope you liked this video. In the upcoming videos, I will be covering each of these rivers in detail. So, please subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.